Hi there everybody. On today's video I'm going to be removing and replacing the camshaft sensors on this Mini. This is a Mini 1 2007 and it's a 1.4. There's two camshaft sensors in this vehicle. I'm going to be changing them. This is the part number. Now the location of the camshaft sensors on this vehicle are just on top of the engine. That's one of them there, and that's the other one. Now they only have one 8mm bolt holding them. So I'm going to disconnect them first. Just pull them out. Now we can get the new ones in. I'm just gonna put a little bit of grease around this O-ring here. Just so it's easier for me to push it down. So just get the 8mm bolt back in there and tighten it very lightly, and we can reconnect the wires. Now both sensors have the exact same part numbers, so it doesn't really matter which one goes on which side. And that's basically it. So the reason we replaced these sensors are because when the car was getting hot, it was failing to start, and we had to wait about 10 to 15 minutes for the engine to cool down a little and get it going again, and that just gets progressively worse. The computer was throwing out a Camshaft sensor code, and so we just went ahead and changed both of them. So hope this video helps changing the sensors and getting the location of them. Thanks for watching.